ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್
Which letter is this? Which letter is this? How the S sound? How the S sound? Appa. S for smiley. S for smiley. S for smiley. S for storm. S for storm. S for set. Storm set. S for sunlit. S for spirit. S for syrup. S for syrup. S for syrup. S for spoon. S for spoon. S for spoon. Say lovely. S for water. S for water. S for water. Sunglasses. S for sunglasses. S for sunglasses. S for soda. S for soda. S for soda. S for sugar. S for sugar. S for salt. S for salt. S for snowman. S for snowman. S for snowman. S for shirt. S for shirt. S for cage. S for cage. S for cough. S for cough. Then we will learn about N letters. Which letter? Which letter is this? How the N sound? N. How the N sound? How the N sound? N for notebook. N for notebook. N for numbers. N for numbers. N for nine. N for nine. N for next. N for next. N for next. N for next. N for neck cutter. N for neck cutter. N for neck cutter. N for nail polish. N for nail polish. N for nail polish. Then we learn about P letters. How the P sound? How the P sound?
అని ఇక్కడ బని
Pink color. P for pink color. P for pillow. P for pillow. P for pillow. P for papaya. P for papaya. P for papaya. P for pen. P for pen. P for holder. P for pen holder. Cushion. Carrot. P for carrot. P for phone. P for phone. Then we how the T sound?
Honey.
How the T sound? T for T-shirt. We learn about how the S sound. How the S sound.
హనీ
How the S sound. Avocado. A for avocado. A for avocado. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for amoeba. A for amoeba. A for R. A for R. A for R.
రితి
Animal. A for animal. A for animal. A for animal.